Miki. Shillong Lajong Football Club kan Pynkhreh ke Jingïalehkai Nyngkong ha ke I-League 8,000 arpusan Pyrshah Churchill Brothers ke mana Goa ke segi ublai ha SSA Stadium ke bah first ground Shillong. Kini ke Jingïalehkai kan sedang ha ke pornyo buje janmien. Ke Shillong Lajong Football Club ha pok ke Jingïalehkai coach ubak Bobby Lingdo Nongbet kalau wan ha ke kerdan ke bah prana pedengki khatlai teliki kenhun ke ayom balala Henry minta coach pertama jong kini ke kenhun ujos Carlos Rodriguez hevia ula ong ba ka klub kelak mi lenti Jingïalehkai bhabat banyok bat ke kerdan ke bah klik kini ke long ka thong jong kinong kersan ke Shillong Lajong Football Club bat kumju ki Jingïalehkai kini ke klub tikumta Rodriguez ula penpau ke jing so scam ha ki Jingïalehkai bikin pen I kam ensi mai kun ha kini ke lempung.
What I required them was to have at least one friendly match each week. And the club managed perfectly everything, and we had 12 friendly matches in all this time. So we could prepare everything. Obviously, we couldn't play against the strong teams, the strong clubs. However, we had the minimum level required to play against other clubs, other teams that made us to get better every day, to get better and to carry on with the preparation properly as we expected before.
Mentangi ni pek ke jumlang jaman ke sebenarnya hanong ba